Cleaning drink containers sucks. Which is probably why you're here. Whether your water bottle has gunk in its crevices, you've stained your favourite mug, oh look, this water bottle even has stink lines, or worst of all, you've left coffee to rot in your travel mug for months. There's one simple, cheap solution to all of this: denture tablets. Denture tablets can be purchased at almost any supermarket or pharmacy. I got this pack of 48 for $3.85 at my local foodies. These things have all the ingredients required to remove smells, stains, and even mouldy coffee residue. To begin cleaning the liquid container of your choosing, subscribe to my channel, then rinse any remaining stuff out of the container. Drop in a tablet or two for larger vessels, fill it with water, and let it do its thing. To clean a lid, just put a tablet in anything capable of holding water, such as a jug or maybe even a capsicum. That is, if you have a capsicum large enough to fit a lid inside. 15 minutes should be enough for a light clean, maybe just to remove an odour, although I usually like to wait a bit longer, even overnight for the best results. When you think it's done, just tip it out, rinse the container or lid, wiping it where necessary, and you'll be left with a sparkly clean, pleasant smelling drink container. And this water bottle now has mint lime.